Hi guys, welcome to Wishlink Wardrobe Tour, and today we are with Diksha Singhi. Mind if we read your wardrobe?
No problem at all. This is my dressing where I store all my makeup, beauty, skincare, jewelry, hair straightener, dryer, etc. And these are the two wardrobes, and I have 5 of them in this house. So these are the 2 of them. And Nishit only has 1. These are some of the dresses. These are all my going out tops. These are all my casual tops. These are my casual dresses. These section mostly has like gym clothes. काफी सारा ऐसे clutter है इसमें. And then this section has like my coats. This has again like jeans and skirts, and this section has like shapes, belts, etc. This is one of my most recent purchases. I even wore it to Thailand, make me look so warm. Then I have this. I think it's one of my most worn co-ord sets I usually wear to work. Then this is mostly where I have like all my trousers, skirts. It's like a really pretty polka dot skirt. I haven't worn it abhi tak, but I really want to style it someday.
Okay, so if you don't prefer to buy a lot of trendy clothes, what usually influences you? Like, कैसे कपड़े खरीदते हो? Is it based on comfort?
So one, जिसमें मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अपने bra situation के बारे में सोचना ना पड़े. Very important.
Yeah.
Second, clothes that I can also wear at multiple places. Like I can even wear for a vacation. I could wear to work. I could wear if I'm going out. So I would like to use clothes that can be worn at multiple places. I think multi-utility clothes are my thing. Plus, most clothes need to be like really airy and comfortable. So something like this, it's cute, it's trendy, but it's also not very, suffocating on my body. So yeah, that.
Can you show me any 5 absolute essentials that a girl needs to have in her wardrobe?
Yeah, sure. So I think if you see this section, this has mostly all basic tank tops and t-shirts. So I have them in so many different colors, like a brown, a different shade of brown, black, red, blue, black, so white. So you can usually wear these with pants, skirts, shorts. You can wear them at home. You can wear them when you're out. I think this is something that really solves like a lot of daily wear problems of wearing clothes. I think one thing that I would 100% recommend somebody is the spaghetti that I'm wearing right now. It's a very comfortable spaghetti. It has a little bit of compression, but it's also not super tight like a bodysuit. So it gives you like a nice fit. So yeah, skin color spaghetti. Then I think undershorts are very important, especially for somebody with heavier thighs. So yeah, undershorts. Okay, so undershorts, which are very important to wear under.
Can you please also
This is from this brand called Lavos, I guess. Yeah, Lavos. I also have from Bliss Club, etc. And this is the spaghetti that I was talking to you about. It has a little bit of compression. It's from a homegrown brand called Squeeze Tees. The one I'm wearing right now is in beige color. It's like the skin color. Then I think activewear, yes. So many activewear. One activewear top that I really love and I think is a must-have is this one. It comes with inbuilt pads. You don't need to wear like a sports bra with it. For shorts, I think a lot of plus-size girls, they struggle with finding gym wear shorts. So this one is great. It's from Spirit Animal, and what I love is that it comes with this undershort and it has a lot of pockets and it has a great fit, so it does not roll down. The things don't roll up. So yeah, it's like my staple when it comes to activewear.
So what is stuff that you keep going back to? I mean, there is always that one dress. For example, for me, it would be this.
I have this dress. Like I have a couple of dresses. I think it's a red dress. It's very simple, very elegant. It's very short, but I really like it. I think all the dresses in this section, are usually the ones that I keep going back to. I have a different drawer जहाँ पे मैंने सारे party wear dresses हैं, क्योंकि वो मैं बहुत ही साल में एक बार भी शायद उनका मौका नहीं लगता है. So that's a different section. I don't clutter it with my everyday clothes. It's a very simple dress. It's nothing. Sorry, this is the neckline.
This on me.
Yes, it's like this. It's a very skater dress, red, minimal. Makes you look really elegant and pretty. This has all like my co-ords and blazers, and थोड़ा अभी देखना ये part. That's like मेरे iron करने वाला stack. So yeah,
We love a human moment.
these are all my blazers and Nishit's blazers, and then we have all vacation wear now.
What do you mean by vacation wear?
So stuff that I would not. So it has like costumes and like bikinis, and would have like kaftan, stuff that I would not wear generally in Delhi otherwise. So a lot of beachy stuff.
Are you a mountain person or a beach
I'm
person?
a beach person, 100% beach person.
Oh wow, beautiful.
I have at least 20 pairs of swimwear.
How do you find the right swimwear? Because I really struggle. What
I
brands?
think I have figured out like a few brands. There is one called, of course, Spirit Animal has like swimwear that is also very functional. Then we also have this club that does swimwear, again very functional. Then we have like really cute ones at Marks and Spencer. This is a brand called Plus Curves, really beautiful swimwear and very stunning ones, like very aesthetic and not covering you up.
Oh.
So yeah, these are a few brands that I really like. This is where I store like Indian wear and some bits of party wear, and it has like my bags, like my most prized possession.
Oh, can
Yeah.
we see?
Yeah, sure.
What is one bag you would carry anywhere?
So I think this bag, a lot of my posts would have me carrying this bag, and it's purely for multiple reasons. I think it goes really well with like casual jeans, etc. Plus, इसमें अच्छी खासी जगह है. Like it would fit like a lot of stuff. So I really like it. It's very casual, very nice. So it goes really well for an everyday purpose. Then this my sister got for me from London. क्योंकि वहाँ पे सस्ता मिलता है.
So, what is some basic ethnic wear that every girl should have in a wardrobe?
Basic ethnic wear, I think chikankari kurtas. Like I have this chikankari kurta. अभी मैंने कुछ आयरन पे रखे हुए हैं, but chikankari kurta. Then some sanganiri print वाले, block print वाले कुर्ते. I think these are like very must-haves की होने चाहिए.
Okay, Diksha, you have to walk the red carpet in 5 minutes. What are you wearing?
So I think I would, if I have to go in like 5 minutes and I don't have time, I would start with something very basic, like a black dress or whatever. And this one cape that I have, and I got it at 70% off. It's amazing.
You need to start texting me whenever there's a sale.
So you can button it up, button it up, button it down. It has like really nice handwork. It shines, it's glamorous. And this is where I store my shoes. It's one of my favorite parts of the house.
A very pretty part of the house. Not
Again, a mirror moment.
Diksha, are you a heels person or a flat person?
I am a juta person because I have ankle issues and I can only wear shoes, or I can wear like very cushiony chappal. So I usually wear those. ये वाले जो chappal नहीं
Are
होते?
we signing up for a sneaker haul?
Not really. मेरे पास इतने भी नहीं हैं, but I'll show you whatever I have done. It has a mix of both my husband and my shoes. So my sister gifted me these sneakers. They're like very edgy and smart. So I wear these the most. I wear these outside. I wear. So this is my husband's. I have a like similar one in different colors. They must be lying here and there. They are so good for like whatever, for like 500, 600 bucks. I have them in so many colors, and I keep going back and buying them every time they get like spoiled or whatever, like fade हो जाता है, जो भी हो जाता है. I keep going and buying them. These are like best chappal ever.
Okay, Diksha, let's play this or that plus size edition.
Done.
Quad sets or dresses?
Dresses,
Straight fit or flared jeans?
flare jeans,
Crop shirts or long shirts?
long shirts,
Saris or suits?
saris.
I know you've been loving saris.
Loving them lately.
Pencil skirts or A-line skirts?
A-line skirts,
Maxi dresses or midi dresses?
mini dresses,
But if you had to choose from maxi and midi,
maxi,
jumpsuits or play suits?
play suits,
I knew you'd answer that. Kaftans or fit and flare dresses?
fitted and flare dresses.
But you have a lot of kaftans also.
But I have more fitted and flare dresses.
Okay. You were so quick with your answers. आपने 1 minute भी नहीं सोचा.
I think I know my personal style.
I love that for you.
What is this? Why do people keep doing this?
Love it.
I know this is Clockit, but then what is this?
It's also like a mini class, no?
This is a mini clap.
Yeah.
This is Clockit. I know, I've taught my husband also. I was like, ये बार-बार करने की क्या जरूरत है? चुप रहो.
Social media पे relevant रहना पड़ता है.
That is true. I'll make today's reel starting this essay.
So we are nearing the end of this episode. Before we leave, what is one word that you would use to describe your wardrobe?
Versatile.
Okay, thank you so much for your time, Diksha. It was so nice to meet you.
Same here.
See you in episode 2.
Bye.